Hello guys, welcome back to our new video, and today we are going to start our new topic with an interesting, meaningful and useful topic, that is how we can connect GHL with third-party tools. Okay, because a lot of businesses require a lot of third-party tools so that their process or their procedure can run smoothly. So for that we are introducing n8n. Okay, basically n8n is an automation pipeline maybe or automation tool that actually connects multiple tools with some specific other tools. It means it builds a connection between two types of tools, and we are using n8n here to connect GHL with other tools. Okay, first of all GHL will get connected with n8n, and then n8n will get connected to other third-party tools, so that there is a smooth connection between GHL and n8n or other tools. So let's move towards the screen and let me show you that how you can connect it and how you can build automations inside n8n. Okay, let's move towards GHL screen. Okay guys, so for connecting GHL with n8n or Zapier or make.com or any type of automation tool, you need to add your GHL credentials inside that tool. For example, here I am inside n8n. Okay, so for connecting GHL with n8n, you need to add your GHL credentials like this. Okay, this one. Okay, so for adding GHL credential, first of all you have to create your GHL developer account. Okay, inside that you will set your auth settings, and after setting your auth you will then connect and create credentials right here. So first, for example, if I click on create credentials right here, and here I will select high level auth 2 API, and let's continue. So here is your auth direct URL link, and there is a client ID, client secret, scope. So these three fields are provided by GoHighLevel developer account. Okay, so for that I will simply move inside GoHighLevel developer account, and after that you need to sign up here, and after signing up you need to sign in into your marketplace as well. Okay, and let me sign in if it is not. Yes. Okay, I will be right back after signing in. Okay guys, after signing in you will see a dashboard like this. So here you are going to create a new app, but first of all let's move inside my apps, and here are the apps that I created, and let's create a new app that is test class. Okay, it can be public, it can be private. Let's keep it private. First, my review app is active and 5 external agencies now installed. Okay, let's keep it public for now. And sub account recommended. Yes, we are actually working inside sub account, so we will recommend this. Who can install every app, and let's create app. Okay, so our app has now been successfully created. So first of all you need to fill all this information. Okay, and the main thing that I'm going to tell you, after listing all this information, you have to simply move inside, I think, advanced settings, and then inside advanced settings you have to move inside the auth. Okay, so this is your redirect URL. So what you are going to create now is this scopes. Basically these scopes are very important. Okay, so let's add you can say the contact. Yes, so here are two scopes right now: context read only, context write only. I will simply select all, so these scopes will all edit right here. And let's click on save, but it is not going to be saved because it will you can say that redirect link should must be added, and that redirect link is this one. I will simply copy it and simply paste it right here. Okay, so now this link has been added, and now let us save. So contain one element. Okay, I added this, but I think that you can see. Okay, this is white label and this is standard one. Okay, because we don't need this link right now, but for now I'm just telling you that how you are going to change these settings. Okay, and now we also need some other links, if you remembered, which is the you can, if you remember, yes, client ID and client secret. Okay, so those both things are provided if you will fill this link, this whole information. You enter that information, you will simply get that link. Okay, this is all for from which your app will get created, and you will get all the credentials, which is client ID, client secret, and scope. Okay, these scopes are right here. If inside settings, inside auth, so whatever scopes you will add right here in this scope, so you need to copy all of them. If simply after copying them, you will simply paste them right here. Yes, inside the scope, and after that you will have to hit the save button, and all your scopes are get created. And after that you need to test here, and test button will create it right here. After filling all the information, you will simply click on it, and it will tell you that whether your GHL account has successfully attached with n8n or not, or Zapier or not. Okay, but for now, uh, why I'm doing is that our video will go too long. Okay, so let's keep it short. And I have already created and connected my GHL account with my n8n, and let me test it out that whether it is working or not. Inside the n8n, I'm going to create a new workflow. Okay, it is this workflow is actually different from the GHL workflows. Because GHL workflows and automations are inside GoHighLevel, but this workflow is other than the GoHighLevel. This is a separate app or a tool that actually creates this automations. Okay, so for now, trigger manual has been added, and now let me search GoHighLevel. Yes. Here it is. So far from here, I'm going to create a new contact, and let me show you that whether that contact will get created inside our GHL or not. And from here, credentials to connect, you definitely select your own credentials for GoHighLevel account that you created using GoHighLevel Marketplace. And after that, what's the email of the contact? Okay. So for now, let us save it as abc@gmail.com. Okay, and other that we are going to add the number 92123, and after that, okay, and let's execute it and let's see what will happen. Okay, so our contact has been created. As you can see that this is the output of this node, and let us go inside the contacts and let us see that whether our contact has been created or not. So our email is abc@gmail.com. So we will add a filter for email, abc@gmail.com. Yes, you can see this one. If you remember the contact, let me show you the contact that I added. This one and this one is the same. Okay, so perfect. So our GoHighLevel account will get connected, and we can use GoHighLevel nodes from here. And because this n8n or Zapier or Make.com is actually used to connect third-party apps with n8n. Oh, sorry, with GoHighLevel. So for that we use n8n, Zapier, and Make.com. So this is all from my side, and let's meet up you in our next video. Thank you. Bye bye.